Hey guys, what's up? This is Yash and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. And today in this video I will be showing you 5 amazing smartphone gadgets under 50 rupees. So let's get started. Guys, there is a huge giveaway at the end of the video, so I suggest you watch this video till the end. So the tech number 1 is this portable smartphone mobile stand, and it costs around 49 rupees. So this stand is made up of plastic. Again, the build quality is okay considering its price point, and it can easily hold smartphones up to 6 inches, and also you can try some small tablets which are around 6 to 7 inches. It can easily holds up to that. And not just that, it's super portable. As you can see here, it folds up like this. And not just that guys, it has also angle adjustments. It has 4 angle adjustment settings as you can see here, which is amazing considering its price point, I would say. The tech number 2 is this 3-pin travel adapter, and it costs around 55 rupees. So this adapter supports almost every kind of plug in this world. UK, Europe, US, Australia, almost everything. And the good thing is that it has inclined this to top and bottom inputs, because of which it's very easy to put plugs inside it because they are very visible as you can see here compared to other adapters which we have. And also it has a red LED indicator which turns on when you plug it in. The tech number 3 is this Android looking OTG adapter, and it costs around 50 rupees. So this thing looks like Android, but it's a OTG adapter. If you pull off its head, you will find a micro USB port. Just plug it into a smartphone, and at the bottom of it you will find a USB port. So with this USB port you can connect almost any kind of USB device with your smartphone, like a pen drive, keyboard, mouse, anything which connects with the smartphone. In short guys, I would say it's a very cool looking OTG adapter. So talking about the OTG adapter, here comes the tech number 4 is this USB LED light, and it costs around 50 rupees. So you can plug this USB light in this OTG adapter and you can use it with your smartphone. This USB light is very helpful if you want to take a selfie, and if you don't have front flashlight on your smartphone, you can use this USB light for that, and it can take some good front shots with your smartphone. And also guys, not just that, you can also use this USB light with your laptop. If your laptop does not have the backlit keyboard, you can use this to type easily in dark situations. Also guys, just for information I am telling you, you can also use it with the power banks in case the light shuts off. It's very helpful on that situations because it takes very less amount of energy. Overall guys, I would say for the 50 rupees, it's an amazing product. And the tech number 5 is this NFC tags, and it costs around 50 rupees. And again guys, if you purchase only one of it, it will cost around 70 rupees. But if you purchase the bunch of 5, then one will cost you around 50 rupees. So talking about the NFC tags, with the NFC tags, and again guys, I will be telling you in shorts because I have talked many times in this channel about the NFC tags. So first, to customize the NFC tag, first you have to install this NFC Tools application on your smartphone. So with this application, you can assign any task or put any information in this NFC tag up to 144 bytes. And after that guys, you can make anything NFC enabled because these are the stickers, and you can stick it to anywhere, anything. And after that guys, with just one tap, you can show your mobile number to your friends, to anyone. And also guys, with just one tap, you can set your phone to silent. And again guys, there are many other tasks. Personally guys, I use these 2 tags at the back of my phone if I want to share my phone number to anyone. And if that person has NFC on your smartphone, with just one tap I can share my phone number with him. And this other tag has my some social media links. Also it has a file. In that file there is a password, so without me no one can access that file. And again guys, there are some more cool things you can do with this NFC tags, so I suggest you check out this NFC tool application and the NFC tags. So this is an extra tech, is a stylus, or you can say touchscreen pen, and it costs around 49 rupees. So I think you get an idea what this thing does. You can use this pen or stylus almost any kind of touchscreen devices like your smartphone, tablets, anything which has touchscreen on it. You can use this stylus on that. And guys, it's very helpful to jot down notes on your tablet, smartphone. Also if you draw something, it's very helpful at that situations. Overall, if you need a stylus for a smartphone, You should definitely go for this. It's very cheap. It just costs around 50 rupees. For that, it's a very good product, I would say. So now let's talk about the giveaway. So I'm giving this 4 smartphone lenses from Blitzwolf. And guys, these lenses are amazing. They are amazing product. I've already made a video on these lenses. You can check out my channel for that. So guys, there will be 4 winners for these 4 lenses. To enter in this giveaway is super simple. You just have to share this video with your friends, like this video and comment on this video. That's it. The giveaway results will be announced in my next upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. And also guys, subscribe now to watch more cool videos like this. Okay, so this is it guys. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and all the product links will be in the description box. You can check that out.